This is an installation guide for the Titan Pro Slip Clutch Manager. It predicts clutch lockup RPM and slip for your combination before you ever make a pass. In this first video, I'll get you installed, show you what the free trial gives you, and walk you through activating your license. It takes about 5 minutes. Let's go. Start on our website and download the free trial. It's the same installer everyone gets. The trial and the paid version are one app. Your license just unlocks higher tiers. Once it's downloaded, run it. Because this is a specialized tool and not sold through the Microsoft Store, Windows may show a smart screen warning the first time. Click More Info and then Run anyway. The installer lets you pick where it goes and whether to make it a desktop shortcut. Defaults are fine for most people. Click Install, then Finish, and let it launch. First launch gives you a quick welcome. It's telling you the 3 things a prediction is built from: your engine's dyno sheet, your clutch specs, discs, diameter, springs, and optionally, your track conditions for horsepower correction. We'll enter all of these in part 2. For now, take the tour. The tour highlights the main areas. On the left, you've got prediction, where the work happens. Vehicles, where each car and setup lives. Track log, for your time slips and your data logs. Historical, for every prediction you've saved. Initial setup, to record your as-shipped baseline. And settings, where you can take the tour at any time. Right now, you're on our free trial. That's 7 days, on our entry tier. Watch the banner up here. It tells you what tier you're on, and, on the trial, how many days are left. On the trial, you can build a Titan clutch prediction, start to finish. That's the full core of the app. A couple things are gated to the paid tiers: generic clutch support, more than one saved vehicle, and editing your dyno or disk size after you've run a prediction. I'll show you every one of those in part 2. The point of the trial is simple. Build a real prediction for your own car and see if the number matches what your clutch actually does. If it earns its place, you upgrade. Once you're ready to buy, everything happens in the settings page. Licenses are tied to your specific computer, so we need one piece of information from you: your machine ID. Click Show Machine ID and copy this string. Send it to us at DrewFab along with your order. This ID is what locks your license to your machine, so nobody else can use your key. We generate a key for you to match that exact machine ID. It's either a short key or a .key file, so you don't have to type. When your key arrives, you have 2 ways to activate it. You can either paste the key into the license key box here and press Activate License, or import a key file and grab the .key file from its location. I've stored my key in a certain part of my files, and when I open it, it shows that I am licensed along with the tier that I've purchased. For different functionality of this app, we have different tiers. The trial gives you access to Tier 1 for 7 days, where you get access to the Titan clutch, 1 vehicle, and your disk and dyno are locked once you press Run a prediction. Tier 2 still gives you access to the Titan clutch only, although this time you get 3 vehicles, with the disk and dyno still being locked. Tier 3 gives you access to the Titan and generic clutch. You get 5 vehicles, and the dyno and disk are still editable after a prediction is ran. The race tier gives you access to both clutches, unlimited vehicles, and a fully editable dyno and disk inputs after running a prediction. Now that I've activated my race tier license, I can see my remaining days on this banner at the top. As this approaches 0, the user will get a warning and the banner will change color. With my race license, I now have access to unlimited vehicles to add, as seen here, and both clutches in the prediction settings. I also have full editing after a prediction is ran. If your subscription ever lapses, the app doesn't lock you out of your data. You drop back to a read only until you renew your license, so you never lose anything. That's installation and activation done. In part 2, we'll build a real car from scratch and run our first prediction. If you hit a snag activating, there's an email support button in Settings.